might think crazy what atoms contain. Protons, neutrons, and electrons.
I'm another student that a sun create.
Of what we're made, friend, by the way.
Nature of matter is what everything is made of. Nature of matter contains atoms, elements, isotopes, and compounds. Nature of matter alone, if you know what we're going to talk about. Nature of matter alone, if you feel like that's what you want to learn.
The element is a pure substance that it contains any atom type, represented by symbols of the two letters. Element with different names makes an isotope.
That's right.
Nature of matter compound is a substance of two or more elements. Nature of matter is about chemical bonds, are covalent and ionic. Nature of matter alone, if you know what we're going to talk about. Nature of matter alone, if you feel like that's what you want to learn.
Molecules, as small as you need. Ionic bond transfer electrons. Covalent bond share